family most of their life, if not all their life, and he's wanting to fix it back up for his kids. We rode this yesterday. Seemed to ride okay in first gear. Second gear, there's a little bit of rickety racket. Third gear seems to be okay, so I would guesstimate we got some chipped teeth on that second gear. We went ahead and ordered some tires already. I'm going to look for a new switch. I'll probably find a whole thing because this is bent and I don't think this works. Somebody's cut the wires off and put a kill switch on there, which don't look too good either. Seemed like this back wheel bearing was loose. Oh, and actually we got goop coming out of there, so I did order new tires. I guess we better get some tubes too. I forgot to order those. He said he's got the plastics and stuff. So we're going to drain the gas, the oil, and start tearing this motor down. See where we're at. Does it have a gas turn off, and does it work? That's the question. Let's find out. There's actually a nut goes through the frame on this. It had one. This one don't. It's got two shims on the muffler. Hold the muffler in so don't lose those. Put those in the bag with bolts. And when I say bolts, I mean nuts. Surely this is low on oil and it's all going to fit in here, right? Alright. She's out of oil. Let's put if we do this right, should be able to just raise up on this and the engine will stay sitting there. I have to put my glasses down. Like that. Oh, unplug your electronics. Okay, now it's good. Fuel line, cap, everything's good. It still may be a little bit stuck, but got our vent right there. That's it. We're separated.